Well, we have a very busy couple of days leading up to Digital Sign Expo 2023. So here's all the different things we're going to be doing for digital signage. The first one is the ad exchange that we're already integrated in with. We're going to do some further integration. So I got to lean on them, get programmers, and get them to test everything prior to the launch here at the Digital Sign Expo 2023. So we've only got about 10 days, right? So ad exchange with the programmers for the further integration. The LED truck ad network training. Shane, the hardware has arrived with the the owners of the LED trucks, right?
Right.
Okay, so can you follow up with them by email, ask them to come join us in Zoom, just so we can walk them through the system, so they're trained a little bit before they start to integrate with the trucks, okay?
This is already done.
Oh, thank you. So the transparent LED in Calgary, that's really on me. I got to phone them and give them a bit of training, show them how to turn the thing on, okay? The Ontario Billboard hardware specifications. Shane, you're going to follow up with them, ask them to provide the contact details for the signage company that's going to be doing the install, right?
Right.
Coffee shop upgrade, Harvey. What I need you to do is actually go into that sign that they had the ticket on and turn on screenshots and just change something on the screen just to confirm it is syncing, okay? Just something small. Put a dot on the screen for a minute, take it off, and then confirm with them that the screen's running. Because I think they think it's not syncing, so they just turn the screen off, but it's just that they have to update the content. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, so screenshot back into the trouble ticket once you've done that. Bahamas, new client setup. Harvey, you did a bang up job. That client's already delighted by the layout, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's super cool. Can you ask him if he has some time today to come back into Zoom, that we're ready to start flashing up the hardware shipping for the Bahamas, okay?
Yep.
University and hockey team updates. So for everybody on the team here, all of that's a go. And tonight over in Shenzhen time, I have to coordinate the shipping now. So everything's a go. So that's super exciting. I'm 50-50 as to whether I should go back up to Canada first and get the equipment, show it off in Las Vegas for the trade show, or if I should just fly direct. Haven't decided yet, but I got to decide in the next 48 hours. Okay. Daily hardware showcase, emergency notification signage. Well, what we're going to do over the next 10 days is every day provide a showcase back to our hardware partner, because they simply do not know the size and the scale where their hardware really is. That's just a great story to tell for digital signage, and they're going to be having a booth at the Digital Sign Expo. So we're going to start with the emergency notification signage system, okay? The other one is RV print collateral for DSC 2023, because I'm leaving here in Mexico to probably fly straight to the event. We'll see. I'm out of business cards, totally out. So we have to get that order in today and ship it over to 7 World Operations, because I can pick it up from 7 World Operations, okay?
Yep.
So Shane, can you ask 7 World Operations to come into Zoom with us? Because I have to do some pre-planning with him as well. We're probably going to borrow some of his hardware just to make sure we have backup at the event as well. Got it? So we need to get him into Zoom with us as soon as we can.
Yeah.
And that's a full enough day in its own right. And Roldy's playing with artificial intelligence and getting all of that imagery to be able to have it on some of the print collateral, right? Yeah, that's cool. Okay, stop recording. Put this into ENS corporate for all the stuff we're doing for digital signage. Excuse me, digital signage in advance of the Digital Sign Expo 2023. Thank you.